Cat drinks milk. Yes? Okay? Okay, next is, you like the cats? Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Not just nod your head. You have to say, I like cats very much. How will you say? I like cats very much. Very good, Karthikeyan. Okay, now mute yourself and I'll be back. Next is Sai Nitesh. Good morning, Sai Nitesh. Good morning, Sai. Good morning. Happy birthday, Sai. Many more happy returns of the day, Sai. Okay, come on, stand up. Let me see you how you have dressed. Let me see your dress. You're having your breakfast now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Coolest kid. Yeah, you're really the coolest kid. Okay, finish your breakfast, okay? We all are going to sing birthday song for you. Okay, Sai? Okay, finish your breakfast. I'll wait, okay? I'll wait for him. He finishes breakfast and be back. Okay, next is Danvin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Danvin. What can you see here? What are you able to see here? Yes? What? Sentence. 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 Say it in a sentence.
Good morning.
Loud. Loudly say it loudly. This is a cat. Good morning, Zeddy. Mute yourself, Zeddy. Yeah, good morning. Mute yourself. I'll be back, Zeddy. Okay, this is a cat. You have to say like this. This is a cat. Oh my God. Danvin, listen first. Listen to ma'am. This is a cat.
The cat.
The cat is sleeping. You have to say in sentence. The cat is. Danvin, the cat is sleeping. Okay. What will you feed the cat? What will you give the cat? If you are having a small cat, if your mama is giving you a small cat, small kitten to you, what will you give the cat? What will you
Milk.
give for the cat? Milk. Yes. Then means what is the sentence you will make? Cat drinks milk. Okay.
Cat is milk.
Very good, Danvin. Now mute yourself, Danvin. Thank you so much. Next, it is going to be Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you?
ma'am.
Yes. What picture are you able to see now?
That ball is spiky కిందకి. Up and
No,
down.
no, not in Telugu, Kannada. You have to talk in
Up and
English.
down.
Okay,
That
Rohita?
ball is పైకి
Telugu
కిందకి.
oddu. Okay? Talk in English, huh?
That ball is
Okay.
up and down. Okay.
Separately, you can talk with ma'am, but not in class. Okay? Okay,
కాదు
Rohita.
మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సెకండ్ హాఫ్ తెలుగు.
That's what. Half English and half Telugu. No,
That
no, no,
ball
no.
is
You have
పైకి
to try,
కిందకి.
baby. Okay? Try, try, try. You can talk. Try, come on. Now,
ఓకే
what will you say in sentence for this? What will you say?
ఓకే మ్యామ్ చెప్పు. Ma'am,
This
that
is
ball.
a.
Walk up and down.
What is this?
Up and down. మ్యామ్ ఒక
Rohita.
చూసి. Remember ball is yes, up ma'am. And
This is a ball.
this is a ball. Up and up.
How the ball is big or small? The ball
Big
is
ball or
big or
small ball?
small?
Small one. No, no, no.
The ball
Big
is
ball.
big or
Big ball.
small?
Big ball is
Ball
up
is.
and down. Okay.
Ball is.
That ball is big. మ్యామ్ చెప్తున్నారు చూడు. The
Ball
ball
is
is big. Up and
big. Okay. Okay. What will you play with this ball?
What will you play?
What will you play?
Ball playing.
What will you play with this ball?
Football is playing.
Very good. Very good. High five, Rohita. Good. You are able to understand whatever I'm saying. I will play football with this ball. Okay? I like to play football. Okay? Rohita's mom, you also try to talk in English with her.
English. English.
Yeah. Small, small sentence you try to talk, but she is very well able to understand what I'm talking. So you better try to talk with her in English at home also.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
she's some shy feeling. She's already YouTube learner.
What?
YouTube learner, ma'am.
YouTube.
Yeah.
What YouTube?
Normally,
Uh,
in house she talking English.
English, but now she's not talking with me.
She's feeling shy, ma'am.
No, shy. Don't feel shy. You're talking to ma'am only, no? Ma'am is
What
your
she
friend.
what she asking only in English.
Oh, very
I
good,
want ice
Rohita.
cream, mom. I want water, mom.
Oh
I'm
my
eating.
God.
So
Very
cute,
good.
so nice. These are she talking.
Talking in English. Very good. Rohita, super Rohita. Very good, Rohita. To ma'am also you have to talk in English, okay? I want to see you how you are talking in English. Okay? Will you talk in English with ma'am? Yes, please. Will you talk in English with ma'am?
Okay,
Yes?
okay, yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Yes. Very good, Rohita. Okay, mute yourself. Good girl.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Yes, next it's going to be Kavyani. Good morning, Kavyani. Kavyani, good morning.
Give me a few minutes, man. She will be come back.
Okay, okay, no problem. Tarnika, good morning, Tarnika. Tarnika, good morning.
Good morning,
Tarn-
ma'am.
yeah, good morning, Tarnika.
This is a good one.
Okay, what picture can you see here?
Doggy.
Doggy? Okay, frame a sentence using that. Frame a sentence, come on.
This is dog.
Frame a sentence using that.
This is a dog.
This is the dog, okay. How many dogs are there?
Baby dog.
Okay. Okay, very good, very good. How many dogs are there?
Two ducks.
You have to say there are two dogs.
Two
Have to
ducks.
say sentence, ma, Tarnika. No one word answer. Have to say in sentence. Okay, look at ma'am only. Okay, look at ma'am. Come on, look at ma'am. You have to say, ma'am will teach you. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to say, you are going to repeat.
Doggies.
Okay, Tarnika. There is two dogs.
Two dogs.
Say in sentence, ma. There is. There is. There is. Look at ma'am. Don't feel shy. Okay. There is two dogs. Okay. Okay. What do you call the small dog? Is there? No. What do you call it?
Baby dog.
Baby dog. What do you call a baby dog?
Puppy.
Yes.
Puppy.
Puppy. Okay. What the big dog is doing? This. What the big dog is doing with the puppy? What is it doing? What both of them are doing? Tell me. Yes, you are getting something in your mind. I know that. But whatever you get in your mind, you tell me. What? Yeah, very good. Smiling, playing, whatever it is. Smiling, yes, that's what you get in your mind, right? It seems like it is smiling. Good. No need to feel shy for that. Whatever comes in your mind, you tell it to ma'am. Okay? Very good, Tarnika. Very good. Thank you so much, Tarnika. Mute yourself now. Next is Hashni. Good morning, Hashni. Good morning, Hashni.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Hashni. Very late today.
The
Oh,
network problem.
okay, no issues. I was just kidding her. Okay, can you see the picture here, Hashni?
Dog.
Dogs. Okay, I'll show you some more something. Okay, wait a minute.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Next.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, say any sentence about this ice cream. Any sentence. Sentence you have to say. This is ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Yeah, tell me.
வாங்கி தரேன். I like.
Yeah, that's what. Whatever you're talking in Tamil, no? That you translate into English and tell it to ma'am. If you want ice cream, then how will you talk to others?
Ice cream.
Yes? Okay, Hashni, I'll ask you one question.
Ice cream.
Yeah, okay. If you are going to a ice cream shop and you want ice cream, you have to ask in English. How will you ask that man? How will you ask the shopkeeper?
I.
I is like that you will ask. How will you ask in English? You don't know? You should ask, Uncle, give me ice cream. Yes, what flavor you like, Harshni? What flavor? Vanilla ma'am likes chocolate flavor. You like? Harshni likes what flavor?
Vanilla flavor.
Vanilla flavor. Wow, good, good, good. Okay, Harshni, very nice. Okay, mute yourself. I'll be back. Okay, Sai Nitesh, finished your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. He finished.
Okay. Now we will talk about this picture. Can you say anything about this picture? Yeah, tell me what do you see? Tell me what do you see? This is what? Look here and say, Sai.
What do you see? Ma'am, he's trying to say something in English.
That's what I'm not able to hear. Is your volume very low?
One second, ma'am. 1 second. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I'm not able to hear Sai. I don't know. You want ice cream? Yes, are you saying that I want ice cream? Is that the birthday baby wish today? Yes, Sai. Yes, ma.
Can you see? Can you see and can you hear him?
Yes, tell me, Sai.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see and can you hear him?
I can see him, but I'm not able to hear him. I don't know why. Something he's saying ice cream, that I can hear.
Which flavor you want?
From oh, ice cream.
Orange.
Okay, what flavor you like? What flavor you like? Tell me. What flavor you like, ma? Tell me. Huh? What flavor? Cocktail. What is that? What flavor is he saying, Sai Nitesh, mom?
Chocolate, ma'am.
Chocolate. Okay, very good, Sai Nitesh. I also like chocolate flavor only. Okay. Okay. Today I'll ask mama and daddy to buy you ice cream and give. Okay. Okay. This is your birthday gift. Okay. Okay. Children, we'll start our session. Okay. Stand up, everyone. Join your hands. Close your eyes.
Stand up.
Ma'am, actually he needs wishes, it seems.
Yeah. Now we'll sing a song for him. You don't worry. We'll finish our kids' anthem and then we'll sing. Okay? Okay, Sai. Come on. Join your hands. Close your eyes. We'll start with the kids' anthem. Come on. Hello, Vishank. Good morning, Vishank. Good morning. Good morning, Vishank. Yeah, very good morning. Okay, children, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on. Fast. Yes. Kids' anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning. Children, you all know today is Sai Nitesh's birthday. Okay, shall we all sing birthday song for him? Yes, but don't unmute. Sing along with ma'am, okay? Yes? Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. Sai Nitesh, can you see the cake here? This cake is for Sai Nitesh. Okay, children, all of you sing birthday song for Sai Nitesh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sai Nitesh. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Sanitesh. Happy birthday to you. Yes, all of you clap hands for Sanitesh. All of you clap hands for Sanitesh. Yes? Yes, all of you wish Sai Nitesh happy birthday. Come on. One by one, everyone wish happy birthday to Sai Nitesh.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, one by one.
Happy birthday, Sandesh. Happy birthday, Sandesh. Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Happy birthday,
Yes, everyone wish happy birthday, Sai Nitesh. Yes?
Happy birthday, Happy birthday,
Okay, thank you so much, children. Thank you so much. Everyone mute yourself. Come on. Everyone mute yourself. Come on, children. Mute yourself. Yes, all
Ma'am,
of
thank
you
you
mute
so
yourself.
much, ma'am. He feels so
Oh.
happy.
Yes, that's what. I just wanted him to join today. That's what. Sai Nitesh, are you happy today? Many more happy returns of the day, Sai Nitesh. May God bless you with lot of happiness. Okay? Yes? I want to see you happy all the time. Okay, Sai?
Say bye.
Okay, very good, children. Okay, it's time for our attendance, children. Are you all ready? Ready, all of you? Yes, ready to...
Today.
Yes, first...
Sandesh.
Yes. Sai Nitesh, Zeddy is wishing you happy birthday. Say thank you to Zeddy.
Say thank
Okay. Okay, Zeddy. Thank you so much, Zeddy. Okay, children, ready for the attendance? Yeah, Danvin. Danvin. Is everyone please mute yourself? Come on. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Okay. Now tell me. Danvin. Very good. Dikshan. Dikshan. Pranita. Come on, mute yourself. Pranita, mute yourself. Come on, Pranita, mute yourself, ma. Okay, next is Dikshan. Dikshan is not here. Okay, children. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz. I saw Farnaz in the morning. Farnaz. Okay. Hashni.
My name is Azini. I am studying in junior KG. I am
Very-
4 years old.
Okay, Jahnavi.
My name is Azini.
Okay, very good. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am. There I am, ma'am. My name is Kartikeya. For all.
Very good. Kavyani.
Here I am, Vanilla ma'am. My name is Kavyalini. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. Nitesh.
Yeah. My name is Kartik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG.
Very good. Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Good boy. Rohita. Rohita.
My name is Roitan Forest. I'm junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Siddharth. Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. Yes, studying in junior KG.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar. Vishank.
Good morning, Vanilla.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
My name
My name is Visank. I am an junior KG.
Okay. What is your age?
is 3.
3.
Okay. Very good. I'm 3 years old. Okay. Next is Vivan. Vivan. Vivan.
My name is Viva.
Come on, Vivan. Why you are sitting too low today? Where is your big chair? Why you are sitting too low today? Okay, tell me. My name is Vivan.
I did junior KG.
Very good, Vivan. Satvika. 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 Okay. Vidyut. Vidyut. Okay. Zadi.
Zeddy.
Zadi.
Zeddy, tell me.
My name is JD. I am 4 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Zadi. Thank you so much, children. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start our session. Ready for the rhyme? Is all of you ready for the rhyme? Yes, vegetable rhyme, okay? Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes? One more time. Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes? Okay, next time today we are going to see a new rhyme regarding the flowers. Okay? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet and so are you. Yes? This rhyme you can go to your mama and sing. Okay, she'll feel very happy. Okay, children? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet and so are you. Okay, only 4 lines. Okay, hereafter daily I'm going to ask one of you to sing the rhyme along with me. So you should sing, children. Okay, and next is our phonic activity. Yes, children. Okay, what is the sound of this?
Sorry.
Yes, Harshni. And the mayam, and the mayam, and the mayam, they are causing me alarm. Okay. Next is the D. Next is B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Next letter is C. Okay, who will sing with me? This song Siddharth is going to sing. Okay. Others, mute yourself. I'll call you one by one, children. Siddharth is going to sing. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. Very good. Next letter is D. Who is going to sing? Kavyani is going to sing. Okay, Kavyani. Come on, Kavyani. Sing with ma'am.
What
Yeah.
Vanilla ma'am?
D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play up on my drums. Very good, Kavyani. Next is E. Vishank is going to sing. E. Vishank is going to sing E. Okay. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Hey, Vishank. Shank is very busy.
Look at ma'am.
Yes.
Look
Hello,
at
Seth. Why you didn't sing the song? Eggs in the pan. Come on, sing the song.
Sing the song. Sing the
It's in the pan.
Shake hands.
It's in the van. It's in the van. Cracking the egg like this.
Hey, very good, Vishank. And next is Pranita. Pranita F. Pranita is going to sing F. Ready, Pranita? Yeah. My friends and I went to the beach. Come on, Pranita, sing with ma'am.
சரி உட்கார் சரியா
Correct only, you sing. F song, sing along with ma'am. Come on. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out.
வெரி குட்
Okay? Okay, next is G. Nitik is going to sing G. Nitik, G song. Water gurgles down the train. The water gurgles down the train. Water gurgles down the train with a gurgle. Yes, Nitik. Did you sing along with ma'am, Nitik? No. Okay, Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita.
Down the
Wait.
Ah. Very good, Nitik. Okay, next it's going to be H. Okay, who is going to sing H? Ritvik is going to sing. Come on, Ritvik. H. Ritvik. Are you ready, Ritvik? Ritvik. Ritvik. Okay, I'll sing. Okay, I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Ha, 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 ha. Very good. I. Who is going to sing I with ma'am? Tarnika. Tarnika is going to sing I. Yeah. Very good, Tarnika. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay? Next is J. J, who is going to sing? Danvin. Danvin is going to sing J. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Very good, Danvin. Next is K. Janvi is going to sing K. K song. Kites are flying in the sky, ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka, ka, ka. Yes, very good. Next is L. We have finished till L, right? So next is L. Who is going to sing L? L. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, come on, sing. Come on, sing, Karthikeyan. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Okay? Okay, very good, children. Till L we have finished. So we have finished the phonic rhyme till L. Okay? Today we are going to learn about. Okay, already we learnt about vegetables, right? On that day we learnt about what all the vegetables we learnt. Anybody can tell me? All of you mute yourself first. Janvi, mute yourself. Is everyone mute yourself? Okay, already we learnt about vegetables, right, children? We learnt about, what are the vegetables on that day we learned? Yes, what are they? Onion, tomato, potato, brinjal. Then what did we learn? Next, what did we learn? Coriander, then spinach, then what? Carrot. Then yes, what all we learned? Tell me. We all learned many vegetables and you also brought many vegetables and showed to me, right? Today we are going to learn about gods, okay? Are you ready, children? Today we are going to learn about gods. God means what? I'll show you. Wait. Snake god, bitter god. Yes, can you see here, children? Can you see here? Bitter god. Okay, bitter god. Next is, what is this? Bottle guard. Yes, bottle guard. Next is ridge guard. Ridge guard. Next is snake guard. What is it? Snake guard. And we have two here, ivy god and the other one is pointed god. Both will look alike, but there are small differences in the shapes. Okay, children? So first one is ivy god and the second one is pointed god. Okay? Once again, I'm going to tell you, snake god, ridge god, bottle guard, bitter god. Okay? Will anybody tell me what are the gods we have seen here? Who is going to tell me? Who will say? Vivan. Vivan is going to say. Okay, Vivan? Tell me, Vivan. What is it? Look at the screen and say.
Vivan, சொல்லுமா.
What is it, Vivan? Tell me.
Vivan, look at the screen. Ma.
Okay, Vishank, can you tell me what is it, Vishank?
Bitter god.
Bitter god. Very good. Next one. Yes, Vishank. Next one. Bottle guard. Okay, bottle guard. Next one. Next, who is going to say? Siddharth. Siddharth, tell me what is this? Ridge guard. Ridge guard. Very good. Next one.
Snake god.
Snake guard. Very good. And finally, ivy guard and pointed guard. Okay, children. So today's worksheet, it's also going to be regarding the same thing. Okay. So I'll tell you the worksheet number also. It's going to be Junior KG D38 CT. D38 CT. Is everyone can see the worksheet? Is everyone able to see the worksheet? Uma ma'am, can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
the worksheet, ma'am?
Ma'am, page number?
Page no D38
Ma'am, it's
CT.
not visible, ma'am. It's not visible in the screen.
Presentation is not visible. 1 minute.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, 3 vanilla accounts are there, ma'am. Yeah, you have to log out any one. Otherwise, we have to pin your name. Then only your presentation is visible.
Okay,
So,
but
3
here
vanilla
only 2
P is
is
there.
visible. Okay, try it out with any one, no? But I have, okay, 1 minute.
Parents kindly pin that vanilla P, that second one. Kindly pin that, you can able to see the presentation.
Yeah. Now is
Jahnavi's
it
mother,
visible?
it's visible.
No, ma'am. No, also only vanilla, ma'am. I can see only vanilla, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Vanilla,
I
ma'am,
don't. Yeah, something I don't
you
know,
pin it,
but
ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
have pinned
Vanilla, ma'am.
myself. I'm able to see.
ma'am, visible.
It's visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yeah, now
Vanilla,
I
ma'am.
have pinned
Okay.
now.
Vanilla, ma'am, is not visible, ma'am.
Screen. Worksheet is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll once again present now. 1 minute. I'll stop presenting and I'll present now.
Visible ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay, I'll try it out. Now can you see Vanilla P is presenting?
Present, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Now it's visible.
Now
Yeah,
everyone
it's
can
fine,
see,
ma'am. Now
right?
it is there.
Okay, thank you. I don't know something. Okay, children, today's worksheet, it is going to be D38 CT. Here we are going to circle what comes next. Okay, what comes next we are going to circle. For that, first children, write your date, write your name, and then we'll start. Okay, today's date is 24/8/2020. 2/4/24. 2020. And write your name also, children. Color the god. Take your color, green color, and be ready, children. Green colors in your hand. Take your green colors in your hand and be ready. Okay. Is ready, all of you? Yes. First, you can see the ivy god or pointed god, whatever it is. Next is the bitter god. And again you have ivy god. So, what comes next? Ivy god, bitter god, ivy god, again bitter god. So, first you circle and then you color. Okay, children? First you circle. Finish circling it first and then you color. Green color. Okay? Next one, here you have ridge guard, ivy guard, again ridge guard, again what will come? Ivy guard or ridge guard? Ivy guard, okay, so go circle the ivy guard. Okay, the third one, first you finish circling it, children, and then you can color, okay? Next is bottle guard, pointed guard, bottle guard. Again, what will come? Pointed guard or bottle guard? Already we have a bottle guard here. So next, what will come? Pointed guard. So circle the pointed guard. And now start coloring it, children. Yeah, it will be like this. Okay, children, everybody has finished. It's easy to color only, right? So color it like this. Next, we'll see about the bean family. Okay. Children, hope you have finished. I'm going to move on to the next thing. Bean family. Is everyone has finished? Hope everyone have finished. All of you look at the screen. Come on, all of you look at the screen. Children finish coloring. Yes, Janavi, Kavyani, Naitek, Ishank, have you all finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone finished? Acknowledge everyone if you have finished. Kartikeyan, Tarnika, Ashni, Danvin. Yes, if you have finished, please tell me finished, ma'am. Then I'll proceed with the next work. Jerry finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now all of you, I think everyone has finished. Very good, children. Now mute yourself. Come on. Come on, mute yourself. Now ma'am is going to teach you beans family. Okay? Before that, we learnt about gods, right? Now we are going to learn about beans family. Ready, children? Okay. This is cluster beans. What is it? Cluster beans. Say loudly, children. Be in your place, but don't unmute. To say it loudly in your place itself. Okay? Cluster beans. And next is lima beans. Yes, lima beans. First we saw cluster bean. Now it's lima beans. And the next is kidney beans. Kidney beans. It looks like kidney, right? Yes, kidney is a part of our body. So it is named as kidney bean. It looks like kidney, so it is named as kidney bean. Next is, we all know French beans. Okay, there are 4 beans. First is cluster bean. Second one is lima bean. Third one is kidney bean. And the fourth one is French bean. Okay, children? Wait a minute. Today we are going to circle the bean family in our worksheets. Okay? So, French bean, kidney bean, lima bean, and then cluster bean. Okay? The same thing we are going to circle in our worksheet, and the worksheet number is D39CT. It's D39CT. Yes, are you all able to see the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, here children, the same way, write your date, write your name. Worksheet number is D39CT. Here we are going to circle only the beans, but we have lot of vegetables here. We have cluster beans, this is lima bean, kidney bean. Sorry, this is not lima bean. Okay, this is lima bean, kidney bean, onion, coriander, potato, we got French bean. Okay, so what are all the beans here? Who will tell me? Tarnika. Tarnika, tell me what are all the beans you have to circle here? First one which you know, which you will circle, Tarnika. Which one will you circle? Yes? Cluster bean. Where is cluster bean? Yeah, show me where is cluster bean. Touch and show me. Very good, Tarnika. Cluster bean. Very good girl. She has finished the worksheet also. Very good. So this is, children, cluster bean. Okay. And then we are going to circle the lima bean. Naitik, where is the lima bean? Show me, Naitik, where is lima bean? Say yes, ma'am, and then you show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, now show me where is the lima bean? Show me. Lima bean. Lima, yeah, very good, Naitik. Lima bean. Very good children. They're all very good children. And now next, Hashni is going to say, where is kidney bean? Yes, show me, Hashni, where is kidney bean? Keep your finger and show me. Yes, very good. Brown color here is kidney bean. And then finally, where is French bean? Is going to say Ritvik. Where is French bean, Ritvik?
French beans இது French beans இது
Mute Hashni, mute yourself, Hashni.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Ritvik, come on, tell me where is French bean? Show me. Touch and show me where is French bean. Good boy. A good boy, Ritvik. Very good boy, Ritvik. Here it is French bean. Okay. Cluster bean, lima bean, kidney bean, and French bean. Okay, children, finished? All of you finished? Please write your name and date on your worksheet, children. If I am saying or not saying also, please write your name. Okay? Okay, our next worksheet. We are going to move to our maths worksheet. It's D38 empty, children. Take D38 empty. It's 27, 27 worksheet. D38 empty.
Two, 7, 20.
Yes, Zeddy is there. Zeddy. Today Zeddy is count along with ma'am. Okay?
7.
Yes, come on, Zeddy.
One.
No one, not like 1, 2, 3, how I have told you. Count in group first. How will you count in group, Zeddy? Will you count in group? Ah, very good, Zeddy. 10. Circle. 10. And the next group is 20. And after 20, what you will get? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. Okay, now start writing, children. 2, 7, 27. First, you have to write number 2, and then you have to write number 7. Yes, first write 2, and then write 7. Children, spell and write. Rohita, you did very well. Like that, you have to spell and write. 2, 7, 27. Parents, make sure that your child is spelling out and writing the number. Make sure of it, parents, please. You have to spell and write. Then only they'll remember the number, or else they will forget. 2, 7, 27.
25, 26, 27.
Very good. See, while writing 2, you have to say 2.
Correct.
7, 27. Like this. See how ma'am is spelling it and writing? 2, 7, 27. Like this you have to say and write, children. Come on. Yes. Everyone is writing. Good. Rohita is writing. Good, Rohita. I can see you writing. Good. Ready also writing. Tarnika, finish, huh? Very good, Tarnika. Good girl, Tarnika. Did you write your name and date, Tarnika? Yes? Tarnika, hereafter you have to try to write in small letters, okay? Capital letters. Only the initial letter will be in capital T. And then the other letters you try to write in small letters. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you have started writing very fast nowadays. Okay, so you try to write like that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Tarnika. Now itself you try to write, erase and write. Come on. Now itself you erase and write and then show it to ma'am. Yes, Vivan is writing. Good, Vivan. Very nice, Vivan. Good boy, Vivan. All the writing part and all, you are excellent, Vivan. But if we ask you to communicate, no? That time what happens, I don't know. Why, Vivan, you are like this? Huh? Writing part and all, it's very nice. Really, I am happy to see him write like this. Zeddy. Zeddy, show me what you are writing, Zeddy.
Ma'am,
Good. Right, Zeddy. Very good, Zeddy. Spell and write, Makana. 2, 7, 27. Very good, Zeddy. Good girl. Vishant, what are you doing, Vishant? Vishant, are you writing? Are you writing? Come on, look at ma'am. Vishant, look at ma'am. Come on. Right. You are writing with crayon, Vishant. Are you writing with crayon? No. Write with pencil. Come on, hold your pencil and write. 2, 7, 27. Good boy, Vishant. Yes, tell me, Tarnika. You have written very good. Good, Tarnika. Very good. Good girl. Yes, Rohita also. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, Rohita. Good. Yes, Naitik is writing. Good. Yes, Naitik. Yeah, Naitik and Danvin. Yes, good, Naitik. How did you write your name, Naitik? You followed what I said? You wrote your name in small letters? I can't see. Yeah, no? What is that? T. It looks like capital T. Told you to write in small letters, right? Okay. Next worksheet, you should write like that, Naitik. Okay? Capital letter. Only N capital letter. Other letters in small. Okay? Okay. Danvin. Yeah, Danvin, show me, ma. Yes. Very good, Danvin. Yes, Pranita. Finish. Good, Pranita. Very good girl. Danvin also good. Everyone finished? Okay, children. Yeah, that also you finished. Very good, Pranita. Okay, children, our next worksheet, it's going to be language worksheet D39LT. It's D39LT. D39LT. Everyone can see the worksheets? Janvi's mom, can you see the worksheets?
Yes, ma'am. It is possible, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly tell me the page number, ma'am.
D39LT. Here, D39LT. Yes. Yes, that sheet. Okay. Correct, Pranita, correct. Okay, children, here, first picture. Yes, first, Kavyarni, what picture can you see here? We are going to circle the starting letter of the picture. Circle the correct letter for each picture, okay? So, first, what do you see here, Kavyarni? What picture do you see here first? Yes, Kavyarni. What is
First
it?
picture का है.
First lion.
Okay, what comes for lion? J, K or L? Lion. Lion.
Silent
What
only.
will you do? What will you circle? J, K or L? Which will you circle?
कौन लेटर में सर्च करे J K और L
Which will you circle? J for lion, K for lion or L for lion?
खोलना भाई लायन कहाँ है भाई L है कि J
Which will come? J for lion? J for lion.
वो
Which is
कुसरता
for
वा
lion? J for lion. Oh my God, Kavyani. L. What is the sound? L. L means what letter? J, K or L? L. So you have to circle L. Very good, Kavyani. L for lion. Yes? L for lion. Okay. Next, Dhanvin. What do you see here, Dhanvin? Is what do you see here? Lamp. Lamp. Can you see the letter? Where is it? What is it? Show me. Means what letter? Tell me. What comes for lamp? J for lamp, K for lamp or L for lamp? L. Very good, Dhanvin. Good boy. L for lamp. Okay. Next is Vidyut. Vidyut, are you there, Vidyut?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Vidyut. Now tell me, what is it, Vidyut? Sorry.
அப்படி நோக்கு
What is it?
What is this?
What is it?
Sound பாரு
What is it, Vidyut?
Sound
Jug, yes. Jug, yes. Okay, what will come for jug? What is the starting letter of jug? Yes? What is the starting letter? J. What will you circle? J, K or L? What will you circle? J means what letter? J means what letter, ma? Here, what will you circle? L, ah? You will circle L? No, it's J for jug. J for jug. You sorry children. J for jug. Okay, circle J. Okay, next is going to be, who is going to be? Okay, Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan, what is it, ma?
What is this one?
What is it, Kartikeyan? Kettle. Kettle. What will you circle? Kettle. What letter? What letter will you circle? J, K or L? K. Very good, Kartikeyan. K for kettle. Okay, first lion you will be circling L, and then lamp also L, lamp. Next is jug, and then kettle. Okay, children, did you finish this? Yes, all of you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, children. Now all of you show me your worksheets now. Let me see. All of you show me your worksheets now. I can see everything. Lift and show me your worksheets. All of you show me. Lift and show me your worksheets. Have you done correctly? Yes, lamp. Very good, Zadi. Good, Zadi. Yes, lamp. Good. Next. Everyone finished? Good, children. Very good. Kartikeyan, good. Next is Kavyani, finished? Where is your worksheet, Kavyani? Yeah, show me your worksheet. Who is that? Yes, Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Good. Good, Pranita. Kavyani, finish? Kavyani, what are you doing, ma? Yes, very good, children. Yes, Ritvik also finished. Tarnika finished. Kavyani finished. And then Vishank. Vishank also finished. Yes, good Vishank. Siddharth, did you finish Siddharth? Yes, good Siddharth. Siddharth. Yeah, good. Okay, children, very good. And children, regarding our Onam celebration, I want to talk to you. Okay, Onam we are going to celebrate this Friday, 28th. Okay, this Friday we are going to celebrate Onam. If you are willing to participate in dance, if you want to talk about it or anything, creative activity, whatever it is, you can do. If you want to dance with your parents also, you can dance. Whatever you want to do, you can do it on that day, Friday. Okay, children? Yes, understood? Yes, also going to participate in dance, you kindly message me. Then only I'll know who is going to participate in dance or speech or whatever it is. Okay, children? Yes? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. January. Okay, very good, children. And next is, okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have a storytelling session. Storytelling session. Okay, so whatever small stories you know, you please tell me. Okay, on that day you have to, if you have a book also, you can bring a book and tell me. You can show the pictures in that book and you can tell me the story. Okay, children, small stories, no big stories, small stories. Okay, everyone try to bring small stories and you have to narrate it on Wednesday. Okay, children, will you all do that? Small stories like lion and the mouse, pigeon and the ant. Yes, like that. Any small stories, just for 1 minute or 2 minutes, you have to narrate the story. Okay? Yes, will you all do that, children? Yes, good. Thank you so much, children. Yeah, thank you so much for your cooperation. If you're having any doubt, please stay back or else bye, children. You can leave. Bye. If you're having any doubts, you can stay. Yeah, bye, everyone.